Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a common household problem that many of you might encounter: a pesky leak at the base of our kitchen sink gooseneck. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you a super easy and budget-friendly solution to fix that leak like a pro. So, if you're a beginner in the DIY world, this one's for you. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Identify the problem. As you can see, this little leak has been bothering us, but we won't let it ruin our day. Before we jump into the fix, let's find out what's causing this issue. Segment 2. Turn off the water. First things first, safety always comes first. We'll turn off the water supply under the sink. Remember, righty-tighty to shut it off, and lefty-loosey to turn it on. Now, let's get to work. Segment 3. Removing the faucet collar. Next, we need to loosen and remove the faucet collar without damaging it. This might take a few turns, but trust me, it's worth it. Segment 4. Inspecting the O-ring. Here's the culprit: the O-ring. It might look small, but it's causing a big mess. We'll gently remove it and inspect its condition. Segment 5. Replacement and greasing. Now that we've got a new O-ring, it's time to grease it up for a smooth fit. A little plumber's grease does the trick.
Good boy.
Segment 6. Reassembling the faucet. Alright, now that we have everything prepped, let's put the faucet back together. It's like solving a fun puzzle. Segment 7. Checking for leaks. Moment of truth. Let's turn on the water and see if our fix did the magic. And just like that, no more leaks. We did it, and you can too. It's amazing what a simple O-ring replacement can achieve. Don't forget, you can find these O-ring kits at your local home improvement store, or check the link in the description below to get one from Amazon. Plus, having some plumber's grease handy is always a good idea. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped someone out there. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Until next time, happy fixing! Bye guys! See you in the next video!